perfect. Yes, ma'am. And what we're going to do is the deluxe part, we're going to use a different meat, so to have like a fourth meat. Okay, so what comes on it, you said?
Pepperoni, salami, and ham.
Okay, maybe we'll put either, maybe turkey on it, I think. Yeah. I saw you make a couple other sandwiches. I really liked it, so I was just gonna get cookies, but you forced me to get a sandwich for now.
Well, if you don't need it now, you have it later.
Yeah, I'll try to eat half of it, and as far as the cookies, you can make them half oatmeal, half macadamia, or 3 macadamia, and then 3 of the raspberries. Appreciate it. Oh, that's got a whole. You have a box or something, or can you want to use the salad container?
The salad box?
Yeah. It's behind you, isn't it? Thanks. Let's see some of these toppings. Provolone, please. Gotta make it official Italian, you know. What's your name, hon?
Mine's Adrianna.
Adrianna, nice to meet you. You're a sandwich artist, huh?
Yes, sir.
Definitely. Okay, we're gonna have some spinach. We're gonna have the black olives. Nice. We'll have some of the pickles. Very little onions. You could stretch them out. Yes. Just stretch it out like a string, just to get that in there. And no, that would be good on it. You know what? You could put some sweet peppers on there. Nice. And let's see, a little bit of the green peppers. No, that'll be great. Now, what type of dressing do you have? I know we got mayonnaise on there already, but let's see. How about that Parmesan vinaigrette, lightly, just on the vegetables? Yeah, just lightly, if you could zigzag it on there. A little bit more, just one more. Yep, that's fine. Perfection. Now, what seasonings as far as oregano? Sounds good.
All 3?
Yes, ma'am. Good sandwich, huh? That's it. Hungry. Yep. She makes a good sandwich. I saw her make a sandwich. I got to order it. I think we're done. And when you cut it in half, but here's the trick to cut it. Instead of cutting it straight after you close it, do like a V. And then you'll bless this, you'll turn this into Italian deli if you do it that way. I know it's against Subway's policy, but
However you want your sandwich.
I appreciate it. And then if you can individually wrap it. That's a monster sandwich. Wow. Whatever's easy for you. There you go. Make it like a sharp V. There you go. Perfect. Squeeze it tight and then cut it. Perfect. And then individually wrap it. Thank you so much. She's the best. The best. Adriana, right?
Yes, sir.
Adrienne. I had to say it. Okay. Cool.